You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. It can be said 2 different ways mainly, even though it is said 3 different ways. Beorn or Beorn, Beorn or Beorn are the most correct pronunciations, although some say it as Beorn as well, which sounds more like Norse languages. Beorn or Beorn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.